How to change miles to kilometer in Apple Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change miles to kilometer in Apple Maps. So by default, Apple Maps may display distance in miles, but with a quick settings change, you can switch to kilometers. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app on your phone. And now from there, simply scroll down and tap on General. Now here in this section, simply select Language and Region. And on the Language and Region screen, simply tap on Measurement System. And right now, it's set to UK, but to change miles to kilometers, you can simply select Metric instead. And after that you can close the Apple Maps app and reopen it again, and you will see that the distance are now displayed in kilometers instead of miles. And that's it. Now you know how to switch from miles to kilometers in Apple Maps in just few taps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.